Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change theme on Odoo. We'll go through the process from the home screen all the way to applying a new theme to your website. This is a simple customization task, but it can make a big difference in how your site looks and feels, especially if you want your website to look more modern, professional, or better matched with your brand. So, let's walk through it carefully. First, go to the Odoo homepage. This is your starting point, where you can access the different apps and tools available in your Odoo environment. Once you're on the home screen, look for the website app and open it. This is the section where you manage your website pages, design settings, content blocks, menus, and other front-end elements of your site. After entering the website section, click on Edit. This puts your website into editing mode, which allows you to make visual changes to the design and layout. If you don't see the editing options right away, just make sure you are in the website builder area and not a different app section. Entering edit mode is important because the theme settings are only available from there. This mode basically gives you access to the tools you need to customize how your website appears to visitors. Once you're in edit mode, click on Theme. This opens the theme-related customization panel, where Odoo groups the visual design options for your site. The theme controls are useful because they let you change the overall appearance without needing to manually redesign every page. For example, a new theme can change the style of your buttons, spacing, fonts, colors, headers, and general page layout. Next, click on Switch Theme. This tells Odoo that you want to replace the current theme with another one. Keep in mind that changing a theme may affect the styling, layout, and visual presentation of your website. So it's a good idea to review your pages afterward to make sure everything still looks the way you want. This is especially important if your website already has custom sections, images, banners, or product pages, because some elements may appear slightly different after the new theme is applied. When the confirmation message appears, click on OK. This step confirms that you want to move forward with switching themes. Odoo may briefly load the available theme options after this, so give it a moment if needed. If your internet connection is slow, or your website has a lot of content, the loading process may take a little longer, so don't refresh the page too quickly. You'll then be taken to the theme selection screen. Here, browse the available themes and choose the one you want. When you found the right option, click on Use this theme. This applies the selected theme to your website and updates the overall design. A good tip here is to choose a theme based on your website purpose. For example, if you're building a business website, choose something clean and professional. If you're creating an online store, choose a theme that highlights products clearly and makes navigation easy for customers. And that's it! You've successfully changed the theme on Odoo. As a final tip, after applying your new theme, take a few minutes to preview your homepage and key website pages. This helps you confirm that the new design matches your brand and that everything displays properly. Also, check important pages like your contact page, product pages, service pages, and any landing pages you use for marketing. If needed, you can continue customizing the look from the website editor by adjusting sections, colors, images, and layout blocks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.